In this video, I'll show you how to buy Elrond on Binance. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. Open up your Binance. So let's say if you want to buy Elrond, the first thing for you to do, you need to have crypto in your Binance, right? So you can have Sol, you can have USDT, you can have USDC, any of them. So what you need to do, click on this ad. This is like, I'm using it if you don't have crypto. So you can buy USD with your card. So once you have gotten USD, you're going to be getting it in USDT or USDC, or you can get it from the P2P trading. So come on to this trade. You can use the convert option, you can use the spot option. So I think this is it. So what you need to do, come on here, type in EGLD USDT. So this is it. So what you need to do, you need to select this. This should be in, I think, market. Yeah, it should be in market, so as can be able to get it with the market price. So you can come on here. Let me say if you want to get 100 would get you. Yeah, so you can see for you to be able to get this, you need to get with USD or you need to get with the P2P. So what you need to do, you can just come on here. If you have USDT already, you can come on here and select Elrond. So you can come on here, you can be able to get it, I think, with this option, EGLD. So yeah, you're going to be getting 6.3 Elrond. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you all found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.